Here is how to repost a photo on Instagram. So what we are going to do is we are going to go to the post or the photo that we want to repost. So you can see on this post right here, there are going to be 3 dots in the upper right hand corner. I'm going to click on that. I am then going to click on Remix. From Remix there, I can then add any audios that I would like, any text that I would like. So it is going to require to share some sort of text before remixing. So from there, I can now add a caption, add a poll, add a hashtag, and share it to my feed, and it will then be reposted on my Instagram feed.